What's ever doing a gun review on the Fable Fools. Fire damage. Process kinetic damage. So it has a soft ballistic, fog ballistic, and smart drift control. The motion causing damage with this weapon increases its stability.
Come on, let's go.
Upgrade damage. It has 3 different upgrades you can put on it. Extended mag, which gives you a larger clip magazine. Speed reload, this weapon quickly.
I told you I want to go to bed early.
Custom precision, precise with glass for better zoom. Fable Fools. Chain body shots to gain bonus damage on your next precision kill. Precision shot. These are just upgrade damages. And this is my gun review on the Fate of all Fools. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and please share this video with your friends. And peace.